non-active smokers and people around them who are exposed to the smoke. For smokers, cigarettes increase the risk of serious diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorders due to harmful substances such as nicotine and tar. Meanwhile, passive smokers who accidentally inhale cigarette smoke and are also at risk of similar health problems. Children and pregnant women and the elderly who are exposed to cigarette smoke are even more vulnerable to this negative effect, including asthma, respiratory tract infection, and environmental disorders. Overall, cigarettes are dangerous for all parties and it is not recommended to smoke in public. This because it interferes with activities from